You might be used to AI giving you walls of text like this by default. Well, there's a new Claude feature that instead will present you with this beautiful comparison that was created in just seconds, which is different from it coding an entire app to help you. It basically added in a professional whiteboard designer into your chat experience, and it's something we haven't seen in this form before. And there's a few things to know about it, and that's what we'll be looking at in this video. So here's the deal. This is a new feature inside of Anthropic's Claude. It's easy, it's completely free to start and try this out. And the output looks like you just spent hours in either PowerPoint or some other visual software. All you really need is a free account on Claude. And as I mentioned, this is something we haven't seen in this form before. And I think it's the direction in which all of these chatbots and LLMs are moving towards. Less pure text output and more interactive, custom presentations that are tailored to your needs. So let me show you the example that Anthropic leads with. If you say, show me how compound interest works, and here's the big takeaway from the video, it's this keyword that really spawns these visuals. Show me. You can also say draw a graph or create a visualization, but show me is the universal one that is going to spawn this feature that basically builds up interactive HTML page, which basically is the simplest form of code, which is the quickest to write and quickest to visualize. And if you look at most websites, you're looking at HTML. And it uses that format beautifully. Look, in just seconds, it spawns up this compound interest calculator where I can change all of these values. It works beautifully. And as you can see, it's not just a wall of text. Instead, I get this application. Now, at this point, if you experience, you might be saying,
Igor, but this already existed. Isn't this Claude artifact?
No, not entirely, because that uses way more than just HTML and it takes way more time. This is almost as fast as generating text. And as you can see, this is not a standalone application. It's just a part of the answer. And also, it's not expected to work as a standalone application. For example, you cannot share the link to this. It's just a part of the answer. But if I wanted to share it, there's a few options here. If you hover over it, these three dots appear. And if you say copy to clipboard, you'll see it won't copy the application. It will just copy an image like this. I'll show you by pasting it here in the chat box. And this is what it really copies, just a screenshot. Because that's what this is aiming to solve. It's just a quick whiteboard sketch for you to get a better understanding of something you're working on. But I played with this a little bit and I found that it actually goes deeper, and I want to show you that. And hey, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We make content like this every week. Let's see what else you can do here. So here's another example. As I said, you can always lead with show me a flowchart on how a mortgage works. I just hit enter, and here's some crucial tips. First of all, even Anthropic says this themselves, this works way better with the Opus model than it does with any other model. So if you're the free plan, you're not going to get the good performance of Opus. So if your results are not as good as this, check your model. If you're on Sonnet, might be the reason. And yeah, a beautiful, quick little flowchart along with the wall of text that I would usually expect from an answer like this. Amazing. Another tip would be you can always follow up to make this custom. So if I say something like style the flowchart in a crazy way, unleashing visual chaos, love it. Then there you go. Not sure this is what you want for a mortgage explainer, but you could also be using your brand colors. Finally, I want to round this out with one last example. And this is really what impressed me, because if you're already doing something inside of Claude, like research different wireless headphones under $300, it's going to use the web search, and usually it would give you like a big table with the different prices, pros and cons, or just a wall of text like this. Now, okay, this is somewhat helpful, but again, we can just say, show me by visualizing the comparison. And there you go. You tell me which one you prefer. And if you wanted to take this more seriously than just the visual that this is, you can always go to the three dots and say, save as artifact, which will turn it into a proper web application, which you can then share with others as a web page. And that's really it. Claude adding in whiteboards as a level between just text and artifacts. It's a wonderful feature that surely is going to present in all LLMs, as the clear direction we're heading in right now is more customized and visual responses rather than just text. All right, I hope that was helpful. My name is Igor, and I'll see you soon.